this video, we will show you how to make mic loader when recording on Windows 11. Maybe if you record using your Windows 11 and using your microphone, you think your mic voice is low or not louder, so you can try to increase your mic input so to make your sound is louder. How to do that? First, you can right click on your audio and select sound settings. In here, you can select input and make sure your mic volume is more than 90. You can see if you make this lower, the sound will also lower. If you get the higher, the mic sound will get the higher also. And this is the first step. And the second step, you can select more sound settings and select your audio input. For example, this is the recording. You can see in my case, I'm using headset microphone here. Just right click on there and select properties and select levels. You can see, make sure the mic in at front panel is more than the 90, so it will get louder. And you can also increase the microphone boost. In my case, I increase until the 20 dB. And after you select this or increase this, your mic will louder when you are recording on your Windows 11. And that's all tutorial how to make mic louder when recording on Windows 11. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.